Hey Drew, have you got a couple of minutes to speak to Plate Up for Glasgow?
Yeah, of course.
Perfect, so what's that you're doing there?
Today I'll be making a completely zero waste and reused strawberry and lime gimlet.
Perfect, so talk us through the dish.
So the main sort of feature in this is the discarded, it's their Chardonnay vodka. It's made using waste products from low and no alcohol wines. So it's already zero waste at the beginning. Alongside that, we have taken leftover strawberries from making a strawberry cordial we use already on our menu. Combine that with some flat prosecco and turn it into like a sort of natural strawberry wine.
Yeah, looks delicious.
It's really tasty, even on its own. And then to go with all of this, something a lot of bars are already doing, we fresh squeeze all of our own citrus. So taking the lemon and lime husks and combining them with sugar and then some ascorbic acid to make our in-house citric cordial. This batch has also got some sage stems in it, as it's one of the garnishes we use in the menu. But this sort of recipe changes based on what waste it naturally comes out of the bar every week. So a little bit there and that in there as well. Perfect.
So what's your top tip for reducing waste behind the bar?
I think just understanding how you can use your ingredients more than once. As I said, limes, you can squeeze them and then also use the husks to make the cordial. We use desiccated coconut in one of our syrups. We also then dry it out and add it onto the top of our homemade chocolate coins we use. So it's just figuring out ways of not necessarily just throwing away the product after you've used it once.
Makes sense. And why is it important for the Gate to participate in Plate Up for Glasgow?
The drinks industry as a whole has a bad rep of being quite wasteful. That just sort of comes hand in hand with working with fresh produce. Things like limes that Scotland's not able to naturally grow a lot of limes. You don't really see a lot of Scottish limes out in the market. You have to fly it over from warmer countries.
Yeah.
So you're already getting all those miles there. So to be able to reuse that as many times as possible is really important, and to just cut down on the industry as a whole with all the food waste.
Brilliant, makes sense. Getting excited.
Go. One final thing. Just a wee spritz of absinthe over the top.
Oh.
Let's go with it.
Cheers.
Cheers.